I think the first time I realized that I was a Mountaineer was when I came down here for a college visit from Pittsburgh. Walking on the Morgantown campus, you just got that sense of this being that college that cares. You know, it's a big university, it's recognized across the country and internationally, and yet it's still that small town, you know, caring college. You know, I was blessed to have professors that I could really make a connection to, that you felt like they genuinely cared about your education, and townspeople were very welcoming of the university and students, and this was just home. This was home for 5 years, and I continue to come back home for football games and other events.